Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leslie Lens HD. Okay, so today we're going to talk about Apple and their newly released the Apple Vision Pro. We knew that Apple was working on something incredible, something revolutionary in tech, but personally I didn't expect that they would go this further ahead to release such an incredible device. I'm sure most of you have seen it and it has incredible specs. Okay, it ranges all the way from all the best screen resolution that it can offer. I won't dive deep into the specs because you can see from the videos that have been circulating online. Most of you have seen them, you have criticized them, and all the same I would say that it's the pro version of what we would expect. They have put so much time and energy investing into every aspect, how easy it is to control. You don't actually have to move your fingers around for the tech to work. You can place your hand however close it is to you and just tap. It's so seamless, okay, according to the videos that we have seen online. And this is something that we want in the future. It's something that we all crave for, especially now that we want everything to be minimalized. I wouldn't want to be out there, be moving my hand all over in the air for me to swipe things that I'm watching on my headset and maybe I'm in public. So all the small movements are the simple things that Apple put in place so that the usability becomes so efficient and effective. Another thing that that I've seen is actually impressive is when you watch movies on your headset, you can actually adjust the screen to be as big and as large as you want, which is quite impressive. I think for people who like watching their movies on their headsets, for example, you're flying, you're traveling, it will be very, very efficient for you. Okay, there's so many things. I wouldn't want to go deep into all of them, but to the main question, and this is my opinion, my take on this, Apple is doing something incredible. This is a high-end device and it comes with a high price, which is about $3,500 US. So taking in consideration that this is not a phone, this is not a MacBook or any other portable device, it's just an headset. Okay, it doesn't depend entirely on a secondary device for it to work. That is the impressive part of it. You can have the Vision Pro without having even your own phone. That's the beauty of it. But at the end of the day, we want something that we can use it on our daily activities. We want something that we can be carrying everywhere we want. Yes, it's portable, okay, it's efficient, it's effective, but the price itself. So I actually saw online many people also complaining about the same, and I think it will get to a point where Apple might have to release another device, the same one, but not a Pro version. This is not strange because Apple has been doing the same, especially on their phone lineup and even their MacBooks. They always release the MacBooks, normal MacBooks, then the Pro version, and then the Air version. So in phones version, they always release, of course, the Pro version, the simple one, for example, iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max. They might do the same in the Vision Pro, in that they release the same device, but now with minimalized features. I don't know what they might remove from the Pro version, but I know there'll be something that will be missing from it so that the device can be even more accessible and at least something cheaper. For example, $1,000, $1,500, that's something that many people might buy compared to the $3,500 one. And okay, this is something that is new in the market. We don't know exactly where it's heading to. We know it's revolutionary. We know it's something that is impressive. But at the end of the day, we don't know how effective this is going to be in the next 2, 3, 5 years. So I believe this is something that Apple is going to take into consideration. I'm sure now this is just like a test subject they're giving us, and they want to know how people are going to react to this. So at the end of the day, this is something that people will want to use, yes, because it's way better than all the other VR and AR headsets that we have seen, because it's something very different. Okay, we know that from the specs and everything, the usability and all the specs, the hardware. Okay, I didn't mention anything about the hardware, and one thing you have to know, or you have to notice, is that it doesn't have a battery installed in the headset. You'll have to carry your battery, okay, maybe in your pocket or just in your hand, and it's going to last for only 2 hours. I don't know if that's something that many people will want. For example, any movie can last for up to 2 hours. Okay, most movies up to 2 hours and even more than that. So after that, you'll have to recharge it. So that's a little bit of a shaky problem, I don't know, according to me. So those are the small things that Apple is going to consider, and most likely after that, they're going to give us now a more premium product or a lesser pro product, but now the price reduced. I think that's something that they're going to consider. Either way, this is something that is quite revolutionary, and would love to see even other companies doing the same. For example, Meta, they had already started the same, but we'd want to see something now better from what they had released. Samsung, maybe would want to see also something from them, and it will be competitive. And as usual, when these big companies compete, the users always benefit. Okay, so thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.